The contestants wake up to the song मैं पैदल से जा रहा था. After waking up, contestants realize that there is no water in the house, not even in the loo. The gas stoves aren't working either. Big Boss then introduces the luxury budget task, जब तक तुम्हारे पैर चलेंगे. The 4 nominated contestants would have to cycle all day in order to keep the gas and water running. Priyanka is asked to overlook the task in the absence of a captain. And Big Boss announces that if she is successful as a Sanchalak, then she might get a chance to compete for captaincy. The contestants choose water as their first necessity as Bani and Rahul start cycling. As the morning progresses, Jason, who has been quiet so far, makes some crude remarks about Mona Lisa. He tells Swami Om that he feels that Mona likes him because of his look in her eyes. While pedaling, Jason asks Bani why Mona does not talk to anybody, and Bani replies that she bonds well with Manu and Manveer. While the luxury budget task is still in progress, a new captaincy task is announced. Every contestant will have a test tube containing colored water, which represents some other contestant's name. Whenever a gong rings, the contestant's test tube will need to be emptied, and the contestants need to provide a reason why that person should not become the captain. And after the 7th gong, the last man standing will fight for captaincy. When the first gong rings, everybody gets into a discussion as to whose test tube should be emptied first. Manveer steps up first and empties Sahil's test tube. Nitiba gets into an argument with Priyanka because she tells Manu to eliminate Nitiba. While Nitiba tries her best to convince Manu, he is not convinced and says that he will empty her test tube because she is not ready to be a captain. Wishing his daughter Priyanka to become the captain, Swami begs Sahil and even starts crying to ensure she wins. On the other hand, Mona backs out of the run of captaincy and asks Lopa to empty her test tube even as Rohan and Lopa encourage her for taking up captaincy. Manveer tries to change Mona's mind by telling her that if she is competing against Priyanka, Mona's chances to win are bright. Manu is avoiding Priyanka because of her behavior and flirtatious way. Manu even refuses to eat dinner as Priyanka had prepared it. Meanwhile, the challengers are tired of pedaling the cycle all day long. Bani gets frustrated and refuses to continue pedaling. She justifies by saying that none of the contestants in the house have done anything for her, so why she should help them. She further complains that no contestant has come to them to boost their morale. She is particularly pissed off with Lopa, who thanked all the challengers except Bani. And she is also expecting Gaurav to spend more time with her since it was her birthday. Rahul tries to explain to Bani, saying that she was being oversensitive and that the 7 contestants were there standing by them, but they had left because of Bani's swear words. The moment Bani stops pedaling, the lights switch on and the alarms blast, waking up the entire house. This week's captaincy task is surely testing the friendships of the contestants, as one can see cracks forming in the friendship of Manu, Manveer and Mona. So much so that Mona breaks down once again and is heard saying that she wants to go home. It will be really interesting to see who finally becomes the captain of the house. For more information and updates, subscribe to Teletalk India.